Hello everyone, welcome to my project ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to make an LCD display using Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, first of all we need one Arduino Uno, one small breadboard, one LCD screen, one resistor and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to connect the circuit. So for this, first of all we need to connect this grounding pin of it, contrast pin of it and the read-write pin of this LCD to the GND pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect this power pin of this LCD to the 5V pin of this Arduino. We will connect the register select pin of this LCD to the 6th number pin of this Arduino and the enable pin of this LCD to the 7th number pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect the DB4 to DB7 number pin of this LCD to the 2, 3, 4 and 5 pin of this Arduino respectively. After it, we will connect this LED anode pin of this LCD to the 5V pin of this Arduino and this LED cathode pin of it to the GND pin of this Arduino through this resistor. And this way our circuit is ready. Now let us see how the code will look like. So this is our code. Over here, first of all we have included one liquid crystal library. Then we have declared its object and these are the pin numbers to which the LCD is connected to this Arduino Uno. It will start from this enable pin. This is the 6th number pin and this is the enable pin that we have connected. So now this is the white setup function in which we are beginning this LCD, and 16 represents the number of columns and the 2 represents the number of rows in it. Now in this void loop function, what we are doing is, first of all we are setting the cursor of this LCD to 0, 0 and then we are printing the table of 12 using this print function. We are using this delay function. It will take time in milliseconds, so it is 1 second, that is equal to 1000 milliseconds. After it, we are subsequently using the set cursor function, print function and delay function. At last we will use this LCD.clear function to clear the screen of this LCD. And this way we are printing the table of 12. Now let us see how actually it will work. So for it, I am clicking in the start simulation. You can see table of 12. 12 to the 12, 12 to the 24 and so on. So in this way, our table of 12 will be printed in this LCD display